everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing to my experience. I spent a lot of time researching, reading articles, and learning about how to earn money online using a Google Ads and develop the websites and create the video by using AI. While exploring different ideas, I decided to build something practical. That's how I created a MTKits.com, a simple but interesting tool website built with the help of ChatGPT and the Codex. This website is developed on Next.js and deployed on Vercel, which is completely free and very fast. And then I enabled the Google Ad services to support our platform and also my revenue. Let me walk through the website and show you how it can work. Oh, and the last section. Okay, the first section is the developer tools. Um, Here you will find tools designed to save time during the development, like JSON viewer. You can view the JSON in different modes: image crop, JWT decoder, and the curl. This lets you test the API quickly by sending the curl command and viewing the response. Age calculator, simply simple tools to calculate the age between two dates accordingly. And the whiteboard, online board where you can draw, design, brainstorming, and or explain the ideas visually. All these tools run directly in your browser. No need to log in. Okay, let me move to the second section of this website: conversion tools. Um First tool is image to PDF. Uh, you can see and you can imagine by the name. This tool help to convert the images into the PDF. And the second one is image resizer, which resize the image without losing the quality. And the image enhancer. The image enhancer, which is the clarity and sharpness of the image. And base 64 HTML convert CSV to JSON is very interesting tool here. You can convert the CSV like comma separate value into your JSON format. And the Excel to the JSON. You can just select the Excel file; it will convert into the JSON format. That is very nice tool. Base converter and case converter, text and analyzer, paragraph generator, date converter. Actually, it's a date converter, not data. Date converter, digit converter, and voice to text. Actually, you can speak and it will convert into the text. Okay, let me move to the next section. These tools actually very are fast and simple and optimized for daily uses. Voice to text is very common use. You need to most of the time you need a mobile app too. But anyways, you can see and you can use the voice to text from these websites. The third section is the game and entertainment sections. MTKits also includes the fun games and entertainment section. This is quickly a mental break and light engagement, like a Tic Tac. It's a classic game that you can play instantly, and the memory game, where a simple memory game to improve the memory and the focus. And the snake game, the classic snake game with smooth control. Actually, you can use the not the mouse, and you can use the keyboard controls instead of the mouse. And the math quiz, you can the test and improve your math skills. uh, Actually, it's a very basic game, and these games are light and mobile friendly as well, so you can also use on your mobile. And the last section is the latest article and the tabs. This section contains the article and tips related to technology, AI, and the productivity. You will find the guides, updates, and useful needs to improve your skills. And why you choose these tools? Here why people use MTKits: fast and efficient, privacy. It's our first priority, so data wouldn't compromise, and 100% free, mobile friendly on all devices. So, is there any queries related to this website and how I made this website? So you can feel free to comment me, and surely I will reply shortly. Okay. Thank you so much for your watching. Bye bye.